begin my morning with a Yogi Skin Detox tea just to start the day off. After my tea, I decided to have a smoothie, and you'll see I have bananas, blueberries, strawberries, some kale, spirulina, and hemp seeds along with the almond milk. I got this protein powder from Amazon and I absolutely love it. Highly recommend. I add a little milk to the bottom so that the protein powder doesn't settle. Then I add the rest of the almond milk and I am good to go, stuffed to the top for this smoothie. I also decided to have some toast with hummus just to complete my breakfast. These are the current supplements I take. So I've got a probiotic on the right, vegan D3, vitamin D, and B12. I also just started taking this vegan multivitamin, and so far so good. For lunch, I'm having some leftover chickpea saute with some vegetables, and then I'm going to put it into a wrap that I end up eating like a taco because I fill it too much, as you'll see. So for the chickpea saute, I just have chickpeas, mushrooms, carrots, and some spinach that I sauteed the night before, and I just heated it up in the microwave and then added it to this wrap. Can't forget that miso ginger dressing. So good. And anything that didn't fit into the wrap, I just tossed it and put it on the side. My food doesn't need to be presentable, it just needs to taste good, which it did. I also had edamame. For a snack later on, I had these delicious brownie crisps. So guilty. I got this tempeh recipe off of another YouTuber, which I'll link down below. It came out delicious. I added some liquid aminos, then the tamari later on, just to spice it up to give it more flavor, since liquid aminos don't have that much flavor to it. One great tip in the recipe was to boil the tempeh in vegetable broth to give it more flavor infused into the tempeh, and then I added the rice, mushrooms, some carrots, some kale later on, and the rice blend had some lentils, as you saw, and it came out delicious, as I said before, but I keep saying it again because it is that good. I did not enjoy these vegetables, however. I got them from some brand at the grocery store that I thought I'd try. Didn't turn out so well, but I still enjoyed my meal.